Hello student, today our topic is depression freezing point. It is a colligative property. So we proved that freezing point, depression and freezing point is a colligative property. First we see what is the freezing point. Freezing point is defined as the temperature at which the vapor pressure of liquid is equal to the vapor pressure of solid state are called freezing point. Temperature at which the vapor pressure of liquid state equals to the vapor pressure of solid. Means at freezing point the liquid and the solid phases present in equilibrium. That is called the freezing point of solution. A solution freezes when its vapor pressure equal to the vapor pressure of the pure solid solvent. Now whenever a non-volatile solute is added to the volatile solvent, so its vapor pressure decreases, which is known as the lowering in vapor pressure, and it would becomes equal to that of solvents at a lower temperature. Then the difference in the freezing point of pure solvent and that of the solution is known as depression of freezing point. So freezing point of pure solvent TF0 and freezing point of that of solution is TF. Then the difference in the freezing point of pure solvent and the solution is called depression in freezing point. So depression in freezing point equals to freezing point of pure solvent minus freezing point of solution equals to del F TF0 minus TF. Is called depression in freezing point. And experimentally it was observed that the depression in freezing point is directly proportional to molality of a solution, or del TF equals to KFM. It is equation second, where Kf is molar depression constant and M is the molality of solution. And if molality is 1, then del TF equals to KF. So depression freezing point becomes constant if the molality of solution is 1, and the molality of solution is 1 when the 1 mole of solute dissolving 1 kilogram of solvent. And from equation 1, it is clear that the depression freezing point is directly proportional to molality of solution, and molality of solution depends upon the number of moles of solute. Therefore, depression freezing point is a colligative property. So hence we prove that depression freezing point is colligative properties. After this, we can find out the molecular mass of non-volatile solute with the help of depression in freezing point. So we calculate molecular mass with the help of depression in freezing point. So calculation of molar mass of solute from depression in freezing point. Depression in freezing point. We know that depression in freezing point is a colligative property. So we know that depression in freezing point is a colligative property directly proportional to molality, and del TF equals to KF M where m equals to molarity of solution and molarity of solution equals to mass of solute into 1000 upon molar mass of solute into mass of solvent in gram, means m equals to mass of solute Wb 1000 upon molecular mass Mv into Wa. So we have the value of m. We put the value of m in equation 1. Now equation 1 becomes LTF equals to Kf Wb into 1000 upon Mv into Wa. So equation 4th, we can find out the depression freezing point. Now molecular mass Mv equals to Kf Wb 1000 upon delta Tf into Wa. So with the help of equation 5, we will find out the molecular mass of non-volatile solute. So today we study the depression freezing point is a colligative property, and secondly, with the help of depression freezing point, we can find out the molecular mass of non-volatile solute.